VSD is an all-Italian company that designs and manufactures agricultural machinery for no-till seeding. Tired of the traditional method of soil preparation and seeding and eager to improve the sustainability of their farm, brothers Antonio and Claudio Vella began searching for a better system. This led them to Argentina, where they learned about the technique of no-till seeding. Upon their return to Italy, they initiated a collaboration program with the CNR, National Research Council, in Rome to design a machine suitable for all types of terrain, with the goal of preserving the natural soil balance. VSD is very active in promoting conservation agriculture techniques, organizing events and field demonstrations to spread awareness of the effectiveness of this seeding technique. No-till seeding minimizes soil disturbance, improves its structure, resistance to erosion and compaction, optimizes the use of fossil reserves, and limits the reduction of organic matter. Therefore, it promotes sustainable development and efficient natural resource management. The no-till seeding technique encourages the development of root systems, with increases in root density of up to 100%. Transitioning to no-till seeding means revolutionizing farm management, implementing a multi-year plan, and adopting a series of practices that affect the entire crop cycle. Over time, the soil improves, organic matter increases, and resistance to erosion and compaction improves. There are numerous benefits for both farmers and the environment: less soil tillage, stabilized yields, cost containment, increased margins, and overall more efficient and sustainable farming. The latest addition to the VSD family is the Supernova MG, which encapsulates all the experience gained from previous models, offering even higher performance, greater reliability, and reduced footprint thanks to the hydraulic folding mechanism. The Supernova MG is available with working widths from 2.5 to 11 meters, a tank capacity of 3,000 to 5,000 liters, a seeding line with front turbo disc, hydraulic high-range parallelogram seeding unit with constant pressure, dual seeding discs, and a dual closing wheel. Seeding depth is adjustable from 1 cm to 8 cm, and seed and fertilizer distribution is electronically controlled via isobus with variable rate. It is essential to create a network of professionals who share experience, knowledge, and solutions to continue bringing innovation to the industry and reduce the environmental impact of intensive land cultivation. The fight against climate change involves the sustainable use of resources, and agricultural soils can be the perfect place to sequester carbon dioxide, the primary greenhouse gas. No-till seeding allows for the retention of significant amounts of carbon in the soil. The world's population is constantly increasing, and climate challenges are a daily concern. So future agriculture must focus on new technologies and sustainable cultivation systems to optimize production and reduce environmental impact. By pursuing these goals, it will be possible to improve the agricultural sector and deliver a better environment to future generations.